Hello everyone, welcome to Hippie Mágica, the channel of self-love, magic, and manifestation. Today's video is about why the law of attraction is not working for you. You've tried everything. You've visualized, you've affirmed. Maybe you've even done the Ho'oponopono, but still nothing works. Nothing is showing up. Why is that? So today I'm going to touch on a topic that is very important, and that is probably the main cause of your manifestations not coming into your reality, not happening for you. So what is this? It's your mentality, it's your focus. What are you thinking about what you want to manifest? Let's say you want to manifest a new job. You've done the visualization, right? You see yourself in an office with your new coworkers, doing your dream job. You have done the affirmations. I love my dream job. I love working at this new company. I love my new position. I love my new salary, right? And maybe you do it in the mornings, or maybe you do it once a week. But then what do you do the rest of the day? Like, oh my gosh, like I'm probably not even gonna get the job. Probably, the market is saturated. No one would ever hire me. My resume is not good enough. I need to do more. I need more experience. Then you go to sleep. Then the next morning comes. You do your affirmations, right? Like, I'm so happy I have this job at this company, at this position. You do your visualization. Yes, you're like with the suit, you have the salary, you're working at this company, and you've told your family that, like, the big news that you got hired at this company, right? Then there's a day, what do you do the rest of the day? You're thinking like, no one would ever hire me. There's other people who are better than me. I need more experience. My English is not good enough. Other people are just more intelligent than me. I'm too old. They will hire someone who's younger than me, right? Like, what are you thinking about your desire? You're thinking negatively. You cannot cheat the universe. You cannot just ask for what you want and then judge yourself, judge the situation. You need to be very loyal to yourself, very loyal to your desire. You cannot ask for a specific person a job and then later on the day say, like, I'm ugly, no one would ever want me, like everyone's more beautiful than me, I'm too old. No, you need to be very faithful. The universe always gives you what you ask for. It will give you what you ask for in the morning, what you ask for in the evening and the afternoon. Morning rituals are just that. They're no magic. Like, the magic is within you. The magic is, what are you thinking? What are you focusing on? What do you truly believe about yourself? What do you truly believe that will happen, that can happen to you? Do you believe in miracles? Do you believe that you can get a job? You need to be very faithful. So let me know in the comments if you have a desire, but like, you're probably judging yourself. You're probably judging the situation. You're probably being realistic throughout the day. Like, oh, like I need to find a job that will just pay me enough, right? Like I need to have a plan B. I need to, like, you're already thinking of the worst case scenario. So that's the number one thing that will sabotage your manifestation. Not being patient enough, judging yourself, thinking the opposite throughout the day, being negative. So start being aware of your thoughts and start changing them. Start changing them to match your desire throughout the day. Or if possible, don't think about it. Just set the intentions throughout in the morning or whenever you do your ritual, and then let it go. Stop thinking, stop obsessing about it. Obsessing over something is a low frequency. You will not attract anything if you're obsessing over something, if you're desperate, right? It's an energy of not having, of lacking. So let me know if this video was helpful for you in the comments. Let me know, what is it that you're trying to manifest? And if you think that you are positive about it, then let me know. I can do another video on another topic, but this is the number one topic of why the law of attraction is not working for you. If you are ready to accelerate your manifestation skills and ready to manifest your dream life, you can join my program, The Magic of Self-Love. It's the number one program on self-love and manifestation. and you can check it out on my website. So subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.